Are you concerned about your health as you age? You're not alone, and staying healthy can be manageable with the right tools. Today, we're diving into how technology can support your wellness journey. Using digital health tools can improve your quality of life, helping you to stay active, connected, and informed. Many seniors face challenges with health changes, but leveraging technology can provide solutions and reassurance. From tracking your fitness to staying in touch with healthcare providers, digital tools offer practical support. Let's explore how embracing these innovations can empower you to take control of your health and well-being. To begin, let's understand how your body changes as you age and how technology can help. As we grow older, certain processes like metabolism and muscle strength may slow down. However, digital tools such as apps and wearable devices can guide you in monitoring these changes effectively. For instance, wearable devices can track your heart rate and sleep patterns, providing insights about your health. Understanding these changes allows you to make informed decisions about your lifestyle and health practices. Remember, these tools are designed to enhance, not replace, your ability to care for yourself. Recognizing early signs of health issues allows for timely interventions. Digital tools can alert you to changes in your body that may require attention. For example, apps that monitor blood pressure and glucose levels help in detecting irregularities early on. Be mindful of symptoms like unexplained fatigue, changes in appetite, or persistent pain. These apps and devices can act as your early warning system, providing logs and alerts to share with your healthcare provider. It's important to remain observant and proactive in managing your health, using technology as an ally in your wellness journey. Nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining health, and technology can assist with meal planning and dietary choices. There are apps that provide grounded nutritional advice and meal suggestions tailored to seniors' needs. Opt for diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Use technology to schedule meal times and track your intake, ensuring balanced nutrition. Such tools can also cater to specific dietary requirements, like low sodium or sugar-free options. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Technology provides the support you need. Physical activity is crucial for seniors, and digital tools can motivate safe, effective movement. Consider using exercise apps designed for older adults that offer guided exercises, such as Tai Chi or gentle yoga routines. These apps often include tutorials and tips to accommodate different abilities and limitations, ensuring you stay active safely. Whether it's walking or chair exercises, these tools provide structured programs that can easily fit into your daily routine. Start slow and listen to your body, gradually increasing intensity to improve flexibility, strength, and overall health. Regular medical monitoring is essential, and technology can streamline this process. Telemedicine and online health portals allow you to consult with healthcare providers without leaving your home. Use these services for routine checkups, medication reviews, or to discuss any concerns. They offer a convenient alternative, especially for those with mobility issues. Beyond consultations, consider devices that record vital signs and enable you to share this data with your physician, ensuring continuous, personalized care. It's important to collaborate with healthcare professionals, using digital tools to enhance your medical journey. Your mental health and social well-being are just as important as your physical health. Digital platforms provide opportunities for social interaction and mental stimulation, which are crucial for emotional well-being. Join virtual social groups or classes to maintain connections and learn new skills. Technologies that offer brain games and puzzles can also foster cognitive health and alleviate feelings of loneliness. Remember, staying socially active helps keep your mind engaged and spirits high. Embrace these tools to build a supportive community, enhancing your mental resilience and happiness. In summary, digital tools are invaluable companions in your health journey, offering assistance in monitoring, nutrition, exercise, and social interaction. Start by incorporating these technologies into your daily regimen, one step at a time. Whether it's setting up an app to track your fitness or joining an online community, each step contributes significantly to your wellness. Embrace the control these tools provide, empowering you to make the most out of your health and lifestyle. Remember, your well-being is in your hands, and these technologies are here to support you every step of the way.